Mambo Vipi, Sasa, naitwa Benjamin. I'm the founder and CEO of Nala. When you first got to the UK, one of the first questions we asked you was, what do you wish we could build for you, the Kenyan community in the UK? Many of you came up to me and were like, Sasa Benja, like, you know, I send money, my cousin tells me it's for school fees or whatever, but if I could pay for the bill directly, or if we could pay the till number directly, or the buy goods number directly, it'd create more control for me. And so we really looked into this deeply and tried to find a way to make it happen. And guess what? We made it happen for you. It's an early access stage and beta, so we love your feedback in giving us, you know, what we can improve on the product. So all you have to do right now is open the Nala application, hit send, click pay bills or buy goods, enter the till number or pay bill number, enter the amount of money that you want to send, and instantly pay from the US or the UK directly to Kenya. We love your feedback and your support in making this happen. If there's anything we could do to improve the process, let us know. Asante sana, kwaheri.